Right, anyway, let's start. Good evening, children.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening,
Okay.
teacher.
Yeah, good evening. First of all, I want to say thank you to Senudi. If Senudi did not call me, I have forgotten dictation. Last night she called me and asked for dictation. Senudi, thank you again.
Welcome, teacher.
Yes, Senudi matak kale natham mata matakam nathi wena enada dictation ne. Okay, so let's write. Did you practice? Is it enough time velaව ඇතිද පාඩම් කරන්න?
Happy teacher.
Okay.
Happy teacher.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. Let's write. What about you? No. 7:30. Kushani, can you show me your book?
Teacher, payanaada?
Dear, you have to write the Sinhala meaning also.
Teacher, මම ඒක teacher අන්තිමට ලියනවා.
Okay, do it now maybe.
Okay, teacher.
Right, right. Very good.
Teacher, video on karaganada.
No need, no need. You can turn off.
Okay.
All of you must write the singular meaning. And also if there are two meanings, write the two. Okay? Not only one meaning. Write all the singular meanings.
Teacher, Sinhala meetings clearly were right.
Okay, right. Hiruka, not finish?
No, teacher.
Okay. Bimash, raise hand if you are finished writing. Kalpani. Kalpani is still thinking. Udera, can I see your book, Udera? Can you turn on the video and show me the book? Udera Deshakti, can you hear me? Turn on the video and show me the book. I think Udera is sleeping. Okay, others can lower your hands. Let's check dictation. Cure. Spread. Get rid. Hazard. Be aware. Vaccinate. Household. Transmit. Rabies. Against. Parasite. Diarrhea.
ටීචර් රැබීස් කියනකොට ටී අකුරක් එනවද අන්තිමට?
Ah, no, thank you, thank you. Rabies. Transmit rabies against. Okay, thank you. B-R-A-R-R-H-O-E. Right. You can lower your hands now. Okay. These are very good. Dinsara, take a red pen and put right marks. Then count and write how many marks you got. Okay? No need to show me. Very good.
Okay, teacher.
Right, let's check marks. Senudi Danara. How many marks, Senudi?
12 out of 11 teacher.
Very good. Vasanda?
12 teacher.
Very good. Charuka?
12 teacher.
Very good. Uvani.
12 teacher.
Very good. Tinuri. Vimash.
10 teacher.
10. Okay. Hiruka.
11 teacher.
Good. Dinsara.
12 teacher.
Very good. Malisha.
12 teacher.
Very good. Tamasha.
12 teacher.
Very good.
Teacher මීටනේ යන්නේ.
Okay, let's wait.
12.
Right, Tamasha. Very good. Tamidu. Himandi.
12 teacher.
12. Kushani.
12 teacher.
12 teacher.
Very good. Danidu.
11 teacher.
12. Very good.
No teacher,
As-
11.
Ah?
11 teacher.
11. Okay, good. Kasuni Irushika.
12 teacher.
Very good. Netumli 11. Good. Minuda
12 teacher.
12. Very good. Yalindu 12. Very good, Yalindu. Rashini. No. Vinuki.
10 teacher.
12. Very good.
No teacher, 10.
10. Okay, okay. Kasuni Amanda. 12. Very good. Kalpani.
10 teacher.
10. Okay. Chamodi. 'Chamodi' disconnected. Gagani. No. Apsani.
12.
Very good. Danuli. Danuli.
teacher.
12. Very good. Udera. උදේර මට වීඩියෝ එක ඔන් කරලා පොත පෙන්නන්න. චතුම්. චතුම්. සිතුම්.
10 teacher.
සිතුම්, show me the book. Situm, hold on. Up a bit. ටිකක් උඩට ගන්න. Okay, thank you, Situm. No problem. Right now, all of you turn on your video and show me homework. Activity 8 and 9.
Teacher, I'm a teacher.
Teacher. Excuse me teacher, මම දනුයි teacher අම්මට කියලා ෆොටෝකෝපි කරන් ආවේ. මට තව
Teacher.
කරවන්න තියෙනවා.
Okay, Kushani. Right, how about others?
Teacher,
Right, hold on, all of you. Right, when I say very good, you can turn off the video. Right, Tamidu, we are in pupils book activity 8, page number 67 के homework මම බලන්න, right? Tamasha, very good. Yalindu, next page. Apsani, next page. I mean previous page, I think. Kalim pituwada, pitipasi pituwada. All right, very good, Apsani. Tamalsha, all right, okay.
Okay,
Right,
teacher.
that's right, Tamalsha. Okay. Right, very good, Tamalsha. No problem.
టీచర్ మమ్మ పెన్ ఉన్నది.
Wait, I am checking. Kasuni, Irushika, next page. Kasuni, draw the pictures. And the other.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very beautiful. Right, Kasuni. Next page. That's enough. Thank you. Right. You can turn off. Himandi, next page. Okay. Right. Himandi, thank you. Minu, the next page. Next. Okay. Right. Good. Minuda, thanks. Uvani, next page. Okay. Next. Next. Activity. Right. Well done. Uvani, thank you. Osanda. Now, next page. Next. Right. Well done, Osanda. Okay, then Sara, I got your message. Sara, yes. Kushani. Okay, next page. Okay, good job. Right, thank you, Kushani. You can turn off. Senudi, next page. Okay, the activity is there. Right, Senudi, good, very good. Charuka, next page. Okay, next page. Right, and activity 9. Okay, very good, Charuka. Very good. Very neat. That's all. Okay, I am not going to say anything, right? Mama baninna punish karanne yanne mokada lamainta photocopy karanne yanne bari gatalu tiyena nisa. But I saw Kasuni, Irushika draw pictures and color. They are very beautiful, right? Drawing puluwan lamai tawa inna onene class eke. Danuli, activity 9. Yes, activity 8, Danuli. Activity 8 එක mark කරගත්තේ නැද්ද?
photography එක ගහගන්න බෑ.
Yes, I know
නෑ,
that.
teacher.
Okay, right. Okay. Right. අද මම වැඩේ කරන්න බැරි වුණා කියලා මුකුත් කියන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි චිත්‍රාන්දින්න දක්ෂ ළමයි මීට වැඩිය ක්ලාස් එකේ ඉන්නවා. මොකද ඔයගොල්ලෝ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට්ස් එහෙම කරද්දි ලස්සනට draw and color කරලා තියෙනවානේ. අර මොස්කිටෝ කොච්චර අමාරුද මොස්කිටෝ අඳින්න ඒවත් ලස්සනට ඇන්දේ. Okay, right. But don't forget, right? Books baladdi වැඩ සම්පූර්ණ කරලා තියන්න. Photocopy කරගන්න chance එකක් ලැබුණොත්. Okay. So, all of you come to your page number 68.
ඔව් ටීචර් කියන දේ හිමින් ටීචර් ඇහෙන්නේ.
ටීචර් හිමින් ඇහෙන්නේ.
Okay. Page number 68.
දැන් ඇහෙනවා.
Okay. Page number 68, we have a small lesson before and after. Page number 68. Right? Look at the examples in the pink color box. Page number
ටීචර් activity 9 එකේ උත්තර ටික සාකච්ඡා කරන්න නැද්ද? activity 9 එකේ උත්තර ටික සාකච්ඡා කරන්න නැද්ද?
Sure, I will. But let's do this activity first, right? Then discuss everything together. Right. So before and after. Look at the example. I have my breakfast. I go to school. So this one, the most correct way. Tama nivaradi krame මේක අනිත් පැත්තත් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. I know that. So what is the correct answer? I have my breakfast before I go to school. What is the meaning before?
කලින්.
Pera. Yes, Khalil. Pera. Yes, very good. I have my breakfast before I go to school. So remember, before කියන එකෙන් before කියන conjunction. සම්බන්ධක පදයෙන් වාක්‍යයක් හදනවා නම් පෙර සිදුවීම තමයි ඉස්සරහට දාන්නේ. right? You have to remember that very carefully. හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න before එකෙන් වාක්‍ය දෙකක් join කරනවා නම් before පෙර සිදුවීම ඉස්සරහට දාන්නේ. So what is happening before මොකද්ද ඉස්සෙල්ලම වෙන්නේ? I have my breakfast. ඉස්සෙල්ලම ඔයා උදේට කෑම ගන්නවා. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි ඉස්කෝලේ යන්නේ, right? So පෙර සිදුවීම before action I have my breakfast. So before එකෙන් sentence එකක් හදනවා නම් පෙර සිදුවීමෙන් තමයි අපි වාක්‍ය පටන් ගන්නෙ. Now let's go to the next sentence example. My father returns home from work. He does some exercise. My father returns home. He does some exercise. Especially ඔයාගේ father clerk කෙනෙක් නම් accountant කෙනෙක් නම් bank එකක වගේ office වල වැඩ කරනවා නම් exercise very good. ඔයාගේ father ගොඩක් මහන්සි වෙලා වැඩ කරන කෙනෙක් නම් එයාට වැඩිපුර exercise අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ නැහැ, right? So let's think this father works in an office. So exercise කරන්නේ father office එකේ ඉඳද්දිද ගෙදර ආවට පස්සේද? Yes, ගෙදර ආවට පස්සේ. So after, when you join sentences from after second action දෙවනි සිදුවීමෙනුයි පටන් ගන්න. Right? So see the difference. වෙනස අඳුරගමු අපි. before එකෙන් ඔයා join කරනවා නම් first action පළවෙනි සිදුවීම. after එකෙන් ඔයා join කරනවා නම් second action දෙවනි සිදුවීම. Now look at the second example. My father does some exercise after he returns home from work. Right? So again check before එකෙන් ඔයා join කරනවා නම් පෙර සිදුවීම before action එක number 1. after එකෙන් ඔයා join කරනවා නම් after action එක. එහෙම නැත්නම් second action දෙවනි සිදුවීම number 1. Is that clear? පැහැදිලිද ඒ කොටස?
Yes, teacher.
Everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to activity 10. Use this table and construct. You can underline and write the Sinhala meaning. Construct means godanaganawa, build. Construct. It's a very important
Teacher
word.
හිමින්නේ හෙන්නේ.
Teacher construct ගොඩනගනව නේද?
Yes, construct godanaganawa, build. Construct godanaganawa. Use this table and construct godanaganna sentences using before or after. Right? Then මේ table එකේදී ඔයාලා දෙපැත්තේ වචන වෙනස් කරන්න බෑ. එහෙනම් ඔයා බලන්න table එකේ පළවෙනි කොටසේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ before action එකද after action එකද? පළවෙනි සිදුවීමද දෙවනි සිදුවීමද? පළවෙනි සිදුවීම කියන්නේ before action. පෙර සිදුවීම. එහෙමනම් අපි sentence එක join කරන්නේ before එකෙන්. දෙවනි සිදුවීම ඉස්සරහට දෙනවා නම් second action. එහෙම නැත්නම් after action. පසු සිදුවීම. එහෙමනම් අපි join කරන්න යන්නේ after එකෙන්. Right? So before that join කරන්න කලින් before after දෙක දාන්න කලින් දෙපැත්ත match කරගන්න. දෙපැත්ත ගලප ගන්න. You can use the pencil and do that in the pupils book. Right? But later erase. Pupils book එකේම pencil එකෙන් match කරගෙන පස්සේ erase කරන්න. දෙපැත්ත match කරගෙනයි ඔයා before the after ද කියන එක බලන්න. Okay? දැන් අපි brush teeth කරලා wash face කරන්න නැතුව school යන්නේ නැහැනේ. එහෙනම් brush teeth sentence එකට එතනටම එන්න ඕනේ wash face කියන එක. Right? Like that. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම table එකේ දෙපැත්ත match කරගන්න. Before after ගැන හිතන්න නැතුව. Pencil එකෙන් double side match කරගන්න. Then you can think about before and after. Right? Pencil එකෙන් දෙපැත්ත match කරගත්තට පස්සේ ඔයා before the after කියන එක තීරණය කරන්න. Okay. No difficult words are there. අමාරු වචන එතන නැහැ. You all try yourself in the writing book.
Teacher.
Yes.
ටීචර් මගේ රයිටින් බුක් එකේ ඉවරුණා ටීචර් මම ඒකට ස්ක්වෙයාර් රූල් පොතක් ගත්ත කමක් නැද්ද?
Square rule. How about homework book, Kushani?
ඒක ටීචර් සිංගල් රූල්.
Use that. Okay.
ඕකේ ටීචර්.
Another 2 weeks time you can go to the shops, right? They will open the country, then that time you can buy a book. Until that, do the work in your homework book.
ටීචර් මං අර එදා දීපු ගිය සතියේ දීපු හෝම්වර්ක් ඔක්කොම කරේ ඒකනේ.
Okay, then continue.
Sorry ටීචර්.
Right, it's okay. Right, so let's do activity 10 in the writing book.
ටීචර් chart එක අඳිනව නේද?
No need, no need. Don't draw the chart. Just write the sentences. That's enough.
ඕකේ ටීචර්.
When you are finished, raise hand.
ඕකේ ටීචර්. ටීචර් මම before and after කියන්නේ grammar lesson එකක් නෙවෙයිද?
It's a grammar lesson, but we do not do it furthermore, right? ගොඩක් ඉස්සරහට grammar සාකච්ඡා කරගෙන යන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා මම ඒක grammar book එකට ගියේ නැහැ.
Okay teacher. ටීචර් අපි when while කියන grammar lesson එක කරේත් නැහැ නේද?
Not yet, not yet. Yeah, I remember.
Okay teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Please raise hand. I think now time enough.
I write, teacher.
Yeah, raise hand. Some of you did not raise hand. Kamal Shah not finished.
Teacher, antim
Okay,
Mama
last
Kenya.
one. Last one. Right, right.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, I think we can mark now. Activity 10 first. Take red pen. Okay, who can read number 1?
Please brush your teeth before you go to bed.
Teeth before go
Please brush your teeth before you go to bed.
Okay. Yes, yes. Take red pen and put right marks. Please brush your teeth before you go to bed. So you
Teacher,
brush.
before teacher,
Yes.
before කියන එක යටින් ඉරක් අදින්න.
No need. No. If you like, you can underline in a color pen. But no need. අවශ්‍යම නැහැ. So what is the first action? You brush teeth first. Then you go to bed, right? So the first action is brush your teeth. Very good. What is number 2?
You must clean your
Must
room.
clean your room after you
Before
go
you-
out to play.
Eh?
You
Please do
must
before
clean your room before after you go to play.
You must clean your room before you go out to play.
You must clean your room before you go out to play.
Yes. This is the correct sentence. You must clean your room before you go out to play. Now imagine the situation. Imagine the situation. You are doing some artwork. Let's think. You are making the Get Well Soon card in your online English lesson. Right? So you cut that, a lot of dust, rubbish paper here and there. Then what do? Put everything there, you go to play. Right? Listen again. You do some artwork in the room. Maybe English online lesson, you are making a Get Well card. Then you cut paper, sellotape, this and that, everything on the floor. But after the lesson, you quickly run away to play with your brother or sister, not clean in the room. Mother will see this and she is going to command you. You must clean your room before you go out to play. දැන් ඔයා මොකද කියන්නේ අම්මා ඕක කිව් හරි මං සෙල්ලම් කරලා ආපු ගමන් ඕක අස් isn't it?
It is, teacher.
Yes, right. So remember, before you go out to play, you have to clean the room. What is your first action? You clean the room, then you go out to play, right? So this is the correct answer. Very good. Now we go to number 3.
I will leave only after I finish my
I will
homework.
only after finish my work.
Yes, this is again the same idea. I will leave only means pamanai. I will leave only after I finish my work. So after. Now here, after means pasu. What is your second action? You will leave. දෙවනියට තමයි යන්නේ. I finish my work. First you finish your work and then you will leave. After එකේදී අපි ඉස්සරහට දාන්නේ second action එක. වැඩ ටික finish කරලා තමයි ඔයා leave වෙන්නේ. Right? So first you will finish your work and then you will leave. So I will leave means your second action. After I can join කරනවා නම් second action එක ඉස්සරහට එන්න ඕන. Take your red pen and put right marks.
ටීචර් තව එකක් තියෙනවා නේද?
Yes, yes, yes. Now I am going to erase number 1. Okay. Number 4. You can read.
You can play after you finish your homework.
Okay.
You can play after you finish your homework.
You can play after you finish your homework. All are the same idea. ස්කෝලේ ගිහිල්ලා ආවා, පොත් බෑග් එක විසිකලා, කෙලින්ම ගත්ත බැට් එකයි බෝලේ. Then your mother will say, you can play. සෙල්ලම් කරන්න පුළුවන්, සෙල්ලම් කරන්න බැහැයි කිව්වේ නෑ. You can play after you finish your homework. So what is your first action? Finish your homework. What is your second action? You can play. සෙල්ලම් කරන්න එපයි කිව්වේ නෑ. You can play. But that is your second action. Okay? So when you join with after, your second action comes first. දෙවනි සිදුවීම තමයි පළවෙනියට එන්නේ. ඔයාට දෙවනියට තමයි සෙල්ලම් කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම homework ටික කරන්න. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. Now let's go back to activity 9. We go back to activity 9. Can I erase the board?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Okay,
Anuli
teacher.
say okay. Right. Activity 9, you can put right marks. Fruit, vegetables and your hands before eating. What do you do?
Wash.
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 Remember capital W? Yes. Wash. Garbage regularly.
මම මේක ලිව්වේ උත්තර
Throw away.
පිළිතුරු විතරයි කරන්නේ නේද?
What?
මම මේකේ පිළිතුරු විතරයි ටීචර් ලිව්වේ කමක් නැද්ද?
You mean did not write the full sentence?
No teacher.
Cannot please. Okay, we never do that. We never write the answer only until O-level class. All my students write the question and answer. So if you have space there, ඉඩ තියෙනවා නම් ඉස්සරහට වාක්‍ය ටික ලියාගෙන යන්න. No space, then you have to do the activity again. Please, right?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so second one, garbage regularly.
Throw away.
Throw away. Yes. What is the meaning regularly? Nirantarava. Yes. Throw away daily actually. Daily you have to throw away garbage, right? Yesterday garbage, today and tomorrow. Don't wait for 2-3 days. Maybe if you have a very big family and lot of garbage is there, then you have to throw away garbage 2 times a day. Right? Family එක වැඩි නම් තව ආන්ටිලා family එකත් ඔයගලන්ගේ ගෙදරෙම ඉන්නවා නම් දවසකට දෙපාරක් throw කළත් කමක් නැහැ. Right? We do not keep garbage in the home. Right. Next one, meat and fish from other food items when
Separate.
stored. Yes, separate.
Separate.
Yeah, separate.
Separate.
Very good, separate. Of course, we do not keep vegetables and meat. Do you keep, where do you keep meat in the fridge?
Deep freezer.
In the freezer.
freezer.
Or deep freezer.
Freezer.
In the deep freezer. We do not keep meat and vegetables in the deep freezer. Do you keep vegetables in the deep freezer?
No.
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 So, what is this sentence meaning? Meat and fish from other items when storing. දැන් ඔයා කොහොමත් vegetables දාන්න යන්නේ නැහැනේ deep freezer එකට. ඒ කියන්නේ කොහොමත් fish meat වෙන් වෙනවා. So what is the meaning? What other things do you keep in the deep freezer? One favorite food?
Ice cream.
That's why you keep ice cream tubs, right? So we have to remember you put ice cream tub on the top shelf and meat and fish in the lower shelf, right? That is what we call separate. If not, we are not keeping vegetables and fish together, right? අපි ඒක කොහොමත්ම කරන්න යන්නේ. Okay. So next one, what is next one? Leftover food quickly in the refrigerator.
Chill.
Chill. Yes. Chill. Very good. Chill means adishitakarane damanama, right? Especially if you have extra rice, you can put it in the deep freezer. So tomorrow morning maybe you can make fried rice, right? කලින් දවස් ඉතුරුන බත් වලින් fried rice එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. Next one, food properly in the correct temperature. Yes, cook. Especially meat and fish. Right? Meat and fish හොඳට cook කරන්න ඕනේ. හොඳට උෂ්ණත්වයේ දීලා උයන්න ඕනේ. Vegetables. How about vegetables? Do you cook vegetables a lot?
No.
No, right?
No.
Just a little. Their color must be there. පාට ඉතුරු වෙන ගානට ටක් ගාලා off කරන්න වෙනවා. Very good. Fruit and vegetables for fruit worms before eating.
Check.
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 Yes.
Check.
Yes, very good. Check. Okay, now I will name some of you. You can read these things, but don't put right marks for activity 8. Okay, activity 8, I will put right marks myself. You just check.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher activity 9 එකේ දෙවෙනි එකට throw away කියනකට away කියනකට ඒ අකුර capital වෙන්න බැයිද?
No. Throw away. The sentence starts here. වාක්‍ය පටන් ගන්න අකුර විතරයි අපි capital කරන්නේ.
Teacher correction කරන්න පුළුවන්ද එතන?
Yes, Tamasha, correction and write in blue pen, right? It's a small mistake.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Now,
Excuse me, teacher.
hmm?
Teacher activity 8 එක teacher the right mark දාලා බලන්නේ.
Yes, Kalpani, you just check are they correct or wrong. Harida varadida කියලා check කරගන්න. Don't put right marks in red. Kasuni Amanda, what is the sentence for picture A? Kasuni Amanda not there?
teacher ගියාම
Senudi, can you please repeat your question? I did not hear.
teacher කරන්ට් එක ගියාම මොකද්ද teacher කිව්වේ?
Okay. We are checking activity 8. You just listen and check. Don't put right marks in red. I will do that.
Teacher මේට කරන්ට් එක ගියා මොකක්ද teacher කිව්වේ?
Okay. We are checking activity 8 in the pupils book, page number 67. You just listen and check. Don't put right marks. Okay, I will put right marks myself later. You just check. Okay,
Okay.
right. So I think Asuni Amanda was disconnected. Vinuki, can you read the sentence for picture A?
Teacher right mark දාගන්න ඕනේද?
No, don't put right marks. You just check. I will put right marks myself. Vinuki, can you read the sentence for picture A?
Check the date of expire when you buy packet food.
Yes, very good. Check the date of expiry when you buy packeted food. Okay. Vinuki, can you tell me some packeted food?
teacher කීවෙනි පිටුවද?
Page number 67, activity 8. What are the packeted food you buy?
Biscuit packets.
Okay. Tell me some, maybe 4 or 5. Is it only biscuits come in packets? You check the expiry date? Who has an idea about that question? Who can tell the answer?
Cheese.
Cheese,
Salt.
Milk.
Milk.
milk,
packet.
milk powder,
Soya
yes,
packet.
yes.
Tea packet.
Tea packets.
Tea packets,
Powder. Soya.
soya,
Dal.
dal,
Rice.
Soya.
rice,
Noodles.
noodles,
Noodles.
biscuit.
biscuit, yes, Vinuki told already, biscuit.
Salmon.
Salmon. Yes, very good. Not actually packets in tin, but you must check the date of expiry. Yes.
Sugar.
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 Yes, sugar.
Salt.
Salt.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. What
Pepper.
are, yeah, salmon. What are spices? Spices.
Pepper.
Kulubadu.
Pepper.
Yes, yes.
Pepper.
Chili powder, curry powder, turmeric, pepper, right? All the spices you have to check the date of expiry. Right. Very good. Very good. Okay. Next one. Yalindu. Yalindu, tell me the sentence for picture B.
Teacher.
Hmm?
මම කළේ ටීචර් ෆස්ට් පළවෙනි සෙන්ටෙන්ස් එකට අදාළ පිච් එක අලවපු එක.
Yes, Tamasha, no problem. It's okay, no problem. But anyway, can you check is it correct or wrong?
ටීචර් මට හරියට දුවේ.
Yalindu, wait. Right, Tamasha, I can see. Make a check karaganna puluwan dawada. You don't have to put right marks. Fred again write down nepa. Oata harida kiyala match karaganna puluwan the sentence and the picture.
ඔව් ටීචර් මට හරියද කියලා බලන්න පුළුවන්.
All right. Okay. So just check, right? No need to put right marks. Yalindu, read the sentence for picture B. Yalindu, read the sentence for picture B.
Clean all cooking utensils before using them.
Yes, very good. Clean all cooking utensils before using them. May you occurring you sound dekat a sound dekat dekama denawa. Like university, uniform, unicorn, utensils, they are you sound. Right? Uncle, umbrella,
Auntie.
auntie, AUNTY. Right. So some
Under.
other words are there. A sound. Right? Enisa mataka tiyaganna you sound එකත් sound එකත් දෙකම දෙන්න. This one, what's that?
Under.
Under. Yeah, thank you. Under. Very good. So this one is not a sound. It's not utensils. It's utensils. What are utensils?
Haliwala.
Haliwalang. Yes. Yeah, we say in English pots and pans. Pots and pans. Pot, PAN, pan. Right? Pots and pans. Very good. So, Yalindu, correct. Next one. Netumli, read the sentence for picture C.
Wash your hand after using the clean all cooking and utensils before using them.
And Netumli, I want picture C.
Oh, sorry, DJ. Wash your hands.
Thoroughly.
before you eat.
Yes, very good, Netumli. Wash your hands thoroughly before you eat. All of you write the sound. Sound එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ලියා ගන්න. මේක හරිම helpful වචනයක්. Thoroughly. Thoroughly means සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම. Completely. හොඳට wash කරන්න. Wash your hands thoroughly before you eat. Okay. Let's go to Kasuni. Irushika, read the sentence for picture D.
Drink boiled or filtered water.
Yes, very good. Drink boiled or filtered water. What is filter? පෙරාගත්. Boil උණු කරනවා, filter පෙරනවා, right? Water filter එකෙන් ගත්ත වතුර. Very good, Kasuni. Danidu, read the sentence for picture E.
Wash food well before you cook it.
No.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher මට කරන්න ගන්න දෝ teacher මේ මෙච්චරලා teacher කරන්න ගන්න දෝ හිටියේ teacher මොකක් හරි කරන්න කිව්වද?
We are discussing activity 8, page number 67. Page number 67 එක activity 8 එක අපි discuss කරන්නේ. Danidu, wash food well before you cook it. Danidu, look at picture G. What is in her hand? Picture G. Picture E එකේද cooking food තියෙන්නේ, picture G එකේද?
G. G.
Yes, yes. Okay, Kushani, read Kushani sentence for the picture E.
Wash fruit before you eat it.
Yes, that is fruit. Wash fruit before you eat it. Good. Himandi, read the sentence for picture F. Himandi, not there. Tamindu.
කියන්නන්ටි
Okay, Situm.
ටීචර් එක් නේද?
Picture F, yes.
Wash your hands after using the bathroom.
Yes, very good, Situm. Wash your hands after using the bathroom. We can see the bathroom in the background. Very good. Next one is Tamalsha. Last one, picture G. What is the sentence?
Wash food well before you cook it.
Yes, wash food well before you cook it. Right? එතන උයන ಜಾති තියෙන්නේ G එකේ. E picture එකේ තියෙන උයන ಜಾතියක් නෙමෙයි. It must be fruit, apples or what. Okay, so I will mark that later. මම right mark දාන්නම්. Before go to the next lesson, page number 69. Right, you get ready, page number 69. Before that, I am going to disconnect you. Join again. Here.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Right. Okay. Look at the picture.
Look at the
Who are they?
A boy carrying a cat and his
Cat and a dog. Yes, yes.
Cat and a dog.
A cat, a dog, some flies,
Has cat
some
and
flies.
dog.
Cat and
some
a dog.
flies, and a mosquito.
Yeah,
Some
cat
house
and
flies.
a dog and okay. Do you have any other words for this cat and dog?
Animals,
Pets.
Ah, I got the answer. Pets. Yeah. So a boy has two pets, a cat and a dog. How about the flies? Are they pets?
no.
No. We do not need them, but they are there. අපිට ඒගොල්ලන් ඕනේ නැහැ උනාට ඉන්නවා. Right? They are there. Okay. So, before go to the lesson, let's check the Sinhala meanings quickly. Open your pupils book and open your writing book. What are the words? We have to start from pause. Pause. Right? Take your dictation list. Writing book එකේ සිංහල meaning ලියාගත්ත list එකට ready කරගන්න pause කියන වචනේ. What is the meaning what is the word penny සිටිනවා?
Pause. Pause.
All of you answer, right? All of you can turn on the microphone and
Pause.
practice the word, right? Pause. Very good. Anatura,
Pause.
hazard.
Hazard.
Hazard. Very good. Danuwatwi සිටිනවා.
Be
Aware.
Aware. Yeah, all of you turn on the microphone and say the word. Ruhashrita,
Household.
Household.
yes. Sampreshanaya karanama.
Transmit.
Yeah. What is the meaning transmit? What is the meaning sampreshanaya karanama? This is transmit, right? Electricity. We can transmit electricity from Lakshapana to Horana to your house. Transmit electricity. COVID-19 from the uncle in the office to my father and to me. What to do? Transmit, right? So, කෙනෙක්ගෙන් තව කෙනෙක්ට යම් දෙයකින් තව දෙයකට සම්ප්‍රේෂණය වෙනවා, right? It is a web, ජාලයක්. Lot of people are there. Like that. It's very hard to stop this, right? මේක නවත්තන්න අමාරුයි.
ටීචර් මීට එන්න.
ඒකට මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ වෙලා තියෙන්නේ දැන්. Right.
ටීචර් මීට එන්න.
සිගනල් ප්‍රශ්නයක් හැමෝටම එන්නේ.
මයික්‍රොෆෝන් එක ඇහෙන්නේ. ටීචර් පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න.
Okay. Right. Next one. Jalabhitikaava.
Rabies.
Yes.
Baby,
Yeah.
rabies,
Okay. Suwapat veema.
Kio.
Yes. The sound is very important, right? හරියට pronounce කරන වචන උච්චාරණය හොඳට තියෙන්න ඕනේ, right? It's kio. Very good. එන්නත් කරනවා.
Vaccinate.
Yes, vaccinate. දැන් මේ දවස්වල 15 to 19 වෙනකන් ළමයින්ට vaccinate කරනවායි කියනවා. ඊළඟට 12 to 16 ළමයිව vaccinate කරයිද? දැන් අපේ අම්මලාට vaccinate කරලා තියෙන්නේ, right? So vaccinate means එන්නත් කරනවා, right? Very good. Next one, viruddhava.
Against.
Yeah, against. So how to say COVID-19 වලට විරුද්ධව?
Against the COVID-19.
Yes, very good. Against COVID-19, right? Yes, we are going to vaccinate against COVID-19. අපි එන්නත් කරන්න යනවා COVID වලට විරුද්ධව, right? Very good. Next one, paraposhitaya.
parasite,
Yes, yes. So my question, parasite කෙනෙක් තමන්ගේ කෑම හොයාගන්නේ කොහෙන්ද? Yes, very good. තව living being කෙනෙක්. Yes, especially තව living beings. Who is a living being?
ජීවින්ගෙන්
ජීවියෙක්. Yes, parasite කෙනෙක් කියන්නේ ඩෙස් එකක් උඩ එහෙම හැදෙන බැක්ටීරියාවක් නෙමෙයි. මෙයා living beings. Living beings කිව්වම plants අයිතිද?
no
No.
yes
Yes,
teacher,
yes,
yes.
yes. Yes, plants අයිති. Yes, living beings ලට තියෙන characteristics චරිත ලක්ෂණ plants වලටත් තියෙනවා. They grow. ඒගොල්ලෝ වැඩෙනවා. They need food. ඒගොල්ලන්ට ආහාර අවශ්‍යයි. බත් සහ හොදිද?
No.
no
No, no, no.
teacher.
Soil, yes. පස්සෙන් ඒගොල්ලෝ පෝෂක උරා ගන්නවා. So ඒගොල්ලන්ට ආහාර අවශ්‍යයි. They grow. ඒගොල්ලෝ වැඩෙනවා. They reproduce. ප්‍රජනනය කරනවා. පැටව බෝ කරනවා. ගස් පැටව බෝ කරනවද?
yes
Yes, yes. පොස් ගහක් වටේ ගිහින් බලන්න පැටව ඕන් තරම් ඉන්නවා, right? So that is, yeah, those are the characteristics of living beings. ජීවීන්ගේ ලක්ෂණ ගස් වලත් තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා අපි ඒගොල්ලෝ living beings කියලා ගන්නවා. So parasites කියන්නේ ජීවීන් මත යැපෙන කෙනෙක්, right? ඔයා දැකලා ඇති සමහර ගස්වල පරපෝෂිත ශාක පැලෑටි වර්ග වැවිලා තියෙනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ ගහේ සාරය උරා ගන්නවා, right? Okay, what is පාචනය?
diarrhea
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
Have another word we have loose motion. Motion means mala paha. Loose burulai. So පාචනය we have another common word සාමාන්‍ය මිනිස්සු අතර යන වචනයක් තියෙනවා loose motion, right? Means බඩ බුරුලට යාම. Okay. Next one පතුරවනවා.
spread
Spread. Yes. මිදෙනවා. මිදෙනවා කියන්නේ හිම මිදෙනවා නෙමෙයි. යමකින් අයින් වෙනවා.
treat
Get rid. Some of you are
Get
not
rid.
joining in the lesson, right? Microphone off කරගෙන ඉන්නවා. All of you read and practice. Microphone off කරගෙන ඉන්න ළමයි සද්දෙට read කරන්න, right? Next one වටපිටාව.
surrounding
Surrounding.
Yes.
Surrounding.
Very good. Surroundings. Very good. Debara.
was
Yeah, see the spellings and the sound. Spelling එකේ sound එකේ වෙනස බලන්න. WA සාමාන්‍යයෙන් w sound එක. නමුත් මේක pronounce කරන්නේ අපි wasp. It's not WOSP. WASP wasp. Debara. Very good. විෂ දල වලින් අනිනවා.
sting
Yeah. Who sting you? Who sting you?
mosquito
Mosquito. Bee. Yes, very good. So these are the common three. බහුලවම ඉන්නේ ඒ තුන් දෙනා mosquito, wasp and bee. Very good. Next one ප්‍රතික්‍රියාව.
reaction
Reaction. Yes, reaction. Yeah, we have a saying අපිට කියමනක් තියෙනවා every action has a what?
reaction
Yes, very good. Reaction. What is the meaning? Every action has a reaction. හැම ක්‍රියාවකටම
ප්‍රතික්‍රියාවක් තියෙනවා
ප්‍රතික්‍රියාවක් තියෙනවා. Yes, did you learn this lesson in science? Science වලට ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේක පාඩම කරලා තියෙනවද?
yes
සෑම ක්‍රියාවකටම සමාන වූ ප්‍රතිවිරුද්ධ වූ ක්‍රියාවක් තියෙනවා කියලා සයන්ස් වලට කරන්නේ.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, very good. So in Buddhism also we have this. බුදුහාමුදුරුවොත් මේ කතාව කියලා තියෙනවා. What is the meaning? හේතු ඵල වාදය. ඔයා මොන දේ කළත් ඒකේ ඵල විපාකයකුත් තියෙනවා, right? Okay. So action ක්‍රියාව, reaction ප්‍රතික්‍රියාව. ඔයා කෙනෙක්ට ගැහුවොත් එයා අඬනවා. So action we hit. Reaction he cried. Sorry.
කල දේ ඵල දේ කියලා කියන
Ah,
එකට
yes, good, very good. So action has a reaction. Very good. Next one, yeah, wish. Venom. Yeah, remember, metana wish kiyanne what? ආහාර විෂ වීම, chemicals වල විෂ ගැන නෙමෙයි. Venom kiyanne animals ලගෙන් එන විෂ. You know wasp, they have venom. Who else? කාටද විෂ venom තියෙන්නේ?
Bee, mosquito,
Snake. Yes, very good. Snakes ලා ගැන කතා කරද්දි remember snake කියන්නේ නයා නෙමෙයි. නයාට අපි කියන්නේ cobra. Snakes කියන්නේ පොදුවේ සර්පයෝ. So we have venomous snakes. Venomous snakes. විෂ සහිත සර්පයෝ and non-venomous snakes. Non-venomous. Do you know a name? Non-venomous snake කෙනෙක්ගේ නමක් කියන්න.
Garandia,
Yeah, what is the English word?
rat snake,
That snake. Yes, Garandia, yeah, non-venomous, right? Visha nahe. Okay, I think that's all for the lesson. Yeah, that's all for the lesson. Now you come to pupils book. Yeah, අමතක වුණොත් meanings කියලා තියාගෙන යන්න writing book එකක්. මම වැඩි පැහැදිලි කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. Sorry.
teacher dictation
හරි.
Senudi, ask the question again.
teacher ලබන සතියේ dictation ටික 13 ඉඳන් 25 වෙනකන් නේද?
Surrounding.
surrounding දර්ශනය surrounding දර්ශනිකය
Saint. Yes. Okay.
It's
half
saint.
dictation. Saint. Surrounding saint.
ටීචර් මම ඒවර ටීචර් ගැරන්ඩියා කියන එකේ ඉංග්‍රීසි වචන ලියා ගන්න තමයි හරි කියලා.
Okay. Yes. Saint Shantuvaraya. Right. Okay, now let's go to pupils book. I am not going to explain much, right? Now, ඔක්කොම සිංහල meaning බලාගත්ත පාඩම වැඩි පැහැදිලි කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ මම. Okay. Now, Malisha. No, before that, want to explain the topic. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention වළක්වා ගැනීම cure කරනවට වැඩිය හොඳයි. What is the meaning?
වලක්වා ගැනීම වැඩි හොඳයි.
Yes, yes. These days we are talking lot about this. COVID හැදිලා හොඳ වෙනවට වැඩිය හොඳයි. මේක හැදෙන එක වළක්වා ගැනීම, right? But it is very difficult. අපි ගොඩක් අයට හැදිලා තියෙනවා, ගොඩක් අපේ කාට හරි මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ නැහැයි කියන්න පුළුවන් කෙනෙක් නැහැ, right? අපේ කාටම හරි හැදිලා තියෙනවා. So it's a very bad situation. Okay, so the meaning prevention වළක්වා ගැනීම better වඩා හොඳයි than cure සුවපත් කිරීමට වඩා. Okay, Malisha, read the first paragraph. Malisha, Rashini.
Animals help to keep the balance in nature. At the same time, animals could pose health hazard to people. We have to be aware of these dangers to prevent them.
Okay, thank you, Malisha. Animals help to keep the balance in nature. It's not only humans. So, bada hame inni humans la vitarak neme. There are animals. There is a balance. සමබරතාවයක් තියෙනවා, right? nature සබහා දහමේ. At the same time, අතරම animals could pose, ඒගොල්ලන්ගෙන් එන්න පුළුවන් health hazards to people. We have to be aware, අපි දැනුවත් වෙන්න ඕනේ of these dangers, මේ health hazards මොනවද කියලා, to prevent them, මේක වළක්වා ගන්න. Okay. Next one, Dean Sara, read the second paragraph.
Household pets like dogs and cats can transmit and disease called rabies to people. This disease is very dangerous because it has no cure. Pets should be vaccinated against this disease. We can take our dogs to free vaccination camps and get them vaccinated. We must also keep pets like cats clean and healthy. Parasites like ticks and fleas can make both people and animals ill.
Okay. Right. Household pets means Gruhashrita, live in and around the house, right? In and around the house. Pets like dogs and cats can transmit disease called rabies to people. This disease is very dangerous because it has no cure. සුවපත් කිරීමක් හොඳ වීමක් නැහැ. Pets should be vaccinated against this disease. මේකට pets ලව vaccinate කරලා තියෙනවා. We can take our dogs to free vaccination camps. Government එකෙන් රජයෙන් free නොමිලේ vaccination camp කරනවා. එතකොට ආගේ dog ව pet ව එතෙන්ට ගෙනිච්චම ඒගොල්ලෝ vaccinate කරලා පාට book එකක certificate එකක් පොඩි mark එකක් දාලා දෙනවා මේ dog ව vaccinate කරලායි තියෙන්නේ කියලා, right? So that is a free vaccination camp. පාට එතන miss වුණොත් vet කෙනෙක් නැත්නම් පශු වෛද්‍ය කෙනෙක් ළඟට ගිහිල්ලා pay කරලා මුදලක් ගෙවලා තමයි injection එක දෙන්න වෙන්නේ. So you must also keep pets like cats clean and healthy. සමහර වෙලාවට cats lover නාවන්න බයයි, සමහර අය ඒගොල්ලෝ හූරනවා කියලා. But you have to bathe them, right? ඒගොල්ලන්ව නිතරම නාවල පිරිසිදුව තියාගන්න ඕනේ. ගේ ඇතුළෙම ඉන්නවනම්. සමහර cats ලා ගොඩක් සුව පහසුව හොයන අය ඉන්නවනේ. ඒගොල්ලන්ව especially ගොඩක් clean තියාගන්න වෙනවා, right? Parasites like ticks and fleas can make both people and animals ill. Ticks ලා කිනිතුල්ලෝ, right? බෝල වගේ ඉන්න පොඩි අය කිනිතුල්ලෝ. Ticks. Fleas පනින අය මැක්කෝ. Right? So clean තියනවා නම් මේවා හැදෙන්නේ නැහැ, right? Okay. Next one is Hiruka. Read the next paragraph, Hiruka. Hiruka not there?
And work sometimes citing people, it is best to see a doctor because soon
I think the little one is disturbing Hiruka. Okay. Then Uwani, read the third paragraph, Uwani.
There are many insects living around us that that are harmful to our health. Mosquitoes spread disease like dengue and malaria. Destroying mosquito breeding grounds is the best prevention method. Houseflies contaminate food and cause food poisoning and diarrhea. They also spread disease like typhoid. We can get rid of flies by keeping our homes and surroundings clean.
Yeah, very good, Duani. There are many insects living around us that are harmful to our health. Insects are a lot, right? Mosquitoes spread paturanama diseases like dengue and malaria. Destroying mosquito breeding grounds. Make again api kalinut kata kala breeding grounds. Petaw bo karana then destroy. Vinasha karana. Is the best prevention method. Hondama walakwa ganime method deka. What is method deka? Yes, very good. Kramaya. Breeding grounds vinasha kirima. House flies gemesso. Right? House flies contaminate food and cause food poisoning and diarrhea. They also spread diseases like typhoid. Typhoid is a fever. Unak. Right? Typhoid ahara vishavima sharirera dara ganna bari unama una ganna. So it is typhoid. We can get rid of flies. Megolangen at wenna puluwan apita by keeping our home and surrounding clean. Nivasa watapitawa pirisiduwa tiyaganna. Okay, Danidu, read the next paragraph.
Insect like bees and vipers sometimes sitting popule it is best to see doctor becomes some popule develop
Allergic.
allergic reaction
due
to the venom that is intelligent by the sitting.
Danidu, I think you have to listen carefully to the sound. මේ වචනවල sound එක හොඳට අහගෙන ඉන්න සමහර වචන වැරදියට කිව්වේ. Insects like bees and wasps sometimes sting විෂ දල වලින් අනිනවා people. It is best to see a doctor because some people develop allergic reactions. සමහර අයට allergy වෙන්න පුළුවන්. What is allergy?
විෂවීම
What is the Sinhala scientific word? Sinhala විද්‍යාත්මක වචනේ මොකක්ද? ආසාත්මිකතාවය. Okay, විෂ වෙනවා කියලා ගොඩක් දේවල් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් allergy එකක් කියන්නේ ආසාත්මිකතාවය. Right? Allergic reactions ආසාත්මික ප්‍රතිචාරය අපේ බොඩි එක රියැක්ට් කරන්නේ. කොයි වගේ රියැක්ෂන් එකක්ද? යා විද්දම අපේ බොඩි එක මේකට ප්‍රතිචාර දක්වන්නේ කොහොමද? රෙඩ් කලර් වෙලා එතන බබල් එකක් බුබුලක් ඇවිල්ලා, right? That is the reaction. බොඩි එක කියනවා මෙන්න සැර දෙයක් ඇඟට ආවයි කියලා, right? That is the reaction. ප්‍රතිචාරය. Due to venom that is injected by the sting. අර sting දල වලින් inject කරනවා. එන්නත් කරනවා අපිට sting විෂ, right? Venom. So අපේ බොඩි එක රියැක්ට් කරන්නේ ප්‍රතිචාර දක්වන්නේ ඒ විදියට. Okay, good. See the chart, next page. Read the passage and complete the grid. First of all, remember, I want all the pictures. Right? I want all the pictures. You can photocopy this page, or if you have an extra pupils book, you can cut and paste, or you have to collect the pictures from newspapers or picture cards, pintura color walling, newspaper walling, whatever the way, I want pictures. Right? So, picture chart එක අඳිද්දි picture වලට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ඉඩ තියන්න ඕනේ. Right.
Teacher, draw the pictures.
Yes, good idea if you can draw, but remember to color. Without coloring cannot, right? Color කරලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම. Very good. You can draw. No problem. Okay, so let's go to the activity. As usual, you can take double page or the landscape side. Double page ගන්න නැත්නම් පොත landscape side එකට ගන්න.
teacher මගුවටද?
Yes, for the chart.
මගුව කියන්නේ අර සතුන්ගේ
drawing කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද?
Yes, draw and color, no problem. You can draw and color.
Teacher
සතුන්ගේ
What?
teacher activity එක
ටීචර්
කරලා
හෝම්වර්ක්
නේද?
බුක් එකේද කරන්නේ?
No, writing book. Draw and color or cut and paste picture, not now. That is for homework. But keep space. ඉඩ තියන්න pictures වලට. Then draw the chart.
Okay teacher.
Any other questions who did not understand? ඔයා chart එක අඳින්න double page ගන්න එහෙම නැත්නම් landscape side. Landscape කියන්නේ පොතේ මේ පැත්තට. Right? Landscape side එකට ගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් double page ගන්න. ඔයා chart එක අඳිද්දි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම pictures වලට ඉඩ තියන්න ඕන. picture වලටත් line එකක් දාන්න. Drawing or cut and paste not now. That is homework. Pictures අඳින color කරන ඒවා photocopy cut and paste කරන ඒවා homework. Okay? Raise hand when you are finished with the table. Chart එක ඇඳලා ඉවර වෙලා raise hand කරන්න. Also you have to write the example. Example එකත් finish කරලා raise hand කරන්න. Danuli,
Yes teacher.
do you understand? Danuli පැහැදිලිද chart එක?
Oh teacher.
Right, very good. Draw the chart and write the example. Name of the animal. Disease or injury. Injury means තුවාලය. Disease රෝගය. Disease or injury that can be caused by it. එයාගෙන් වෙන ලෙඩේ හෝ තුවාලය. Third one, method එක. Method of prevention or treatment. සමහර අයගේ prevention වෙන method එකක්. වළක්වා ගැනීමේ ක්‍රමයක් තියෙනවා. සමහර අයට treatment මේ දේ උනොත් ප්‍රතිකාරයක් තියෙනවා. Okay, so draw the chart and write the example, raise hand.
ටීචර් මොකද්ද කිව්වේ මාව සිග්නල් නැතුව කට් වුණා.
විනුකී ඔයා ඇක්ටිවිටි 11 එක කරන්න chart එක ඇඳලා පින්තූර අලවන්න ඉඩ තියලා හරි අඳින්න ඉඩ තියලා හරි ඒකේ ඒ ටික ගහලා එක්සැම්පල් එකක් ලියලා ටීචර්ට රේස් හෑන්ඩ් කරන්න කිව්වා.
Thank you කුෂානි.
Welcome Vinuki.